Pros and cons of natural stone flooring in your kitchen. Dear friends, natural stone tile is known for being classy and beautiful, all thanks to wonderful Mother Nature. But, of course, like any other material, it has its good points and bad points. So, to help you decide if natural stone flooring is a good flooring material for your kitchen, let's get into the pros and cons. Pros of natural stone kitchen flooring. Long-lasting. Natural stone is a flooring material that is literally as hard as a rock. The name pretty much gives that away. Yes, it's actually a rock, which makes it a durable, long-lasting flooring choice for your kitchen. Aesthetic appeal. Since natural stone is a product of nature, the details are different when it comes to each piece, making each tile unique. And the wide array of sizes, shapes and colors available in natural stone kitchen floor tiles offer an endless amount of kitchen design possibilities. Easy to clean and maintain. When properly sealed, natural stone flooring is easy to clean and keep looking fresh and new. Simple sweeping, dust mopping or vacuuming prior to wet mopping with a pH-balanced neutral cleaner or warm water will do the trick. Not slippery. Natural stone is sturdy, durable and provides good traction. It's not slippery like ceramic and other materials, which makes it a safe option for kids and pets, especially in the kitchen. Cons of a natural stone kitchen floor. Porous. Natural stone is porous, and to help prevent it from staining and water damage, this type of kitchen flooring needs to be regularly treated with a sealing agent. Chipping. While it is known to chip, some natural stone varieties, like slate, are relatively easy to fix when chipped. But repairs for other types of stones can be expensive and labor-sensitive. Cost. Because it's a natural material, natural stone kitchen floor tiles are some of the most expensive flooring options. But their luxurious look makes the expense worth it if your kitchen renovation budget allows for it, of course. So, with the pros and cons of natural stone flooring laid out for you, it's now easier to start deciding if it's the right flooring choice for your kitchen. And if you visit one of our locations, you can also see the beautiful natural stone collections in person to make your decision process even better. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.